Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily cancel your Temu orders and get your money back. So follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store because we need to get something out of the way, and that is to have your Temu app updated, or at least have one of the newer versions to ensure everything runs smoothly. After that, let's go ahead and open the Temu app. Of course, you have to be logged into your account. From here, tap on that little person icon that should be in the middle part of the screen at the bottom right there. And then right here, as you can see, we find your orders and some other things, but that's not where we need to go to cancel and get the refund. We can do it from there, but it's gonna be a little bit complicated. So tap on that icon in the top right corner that is right next to the settings icon. It's gonna take you to the support section or the support page. And then from here again you can find your orders, but that's not what we need. Scroll down and tap on contact us. That should be in the bottom of the screen. Right here, as you can see guys, you can just talk to this support AI bot kinda, but it can fix your problem. You just tell them that you want to cancel your order and get your money back and basically get a refund. It's gonna take a couple of seconds to process your request. It's gonna give you this menu to choose the items that you want to cancel, or you can even choose everything and tap on submit and cancel everything at once. And then from here, what the bot is going to do is it's going to ask you to confirm, and if you haven't, or if this basically order hasn't shipped yet and you haven't paid for it long ago, you can easily cancel it and the money is going to automatically be back to the payment method that you choose, and you should be good to go. And that's basically how can you guys cancel your orders and get your money back. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you so much for watching.